morning from the For the See Me. This is Chris Robinson with your Traders Exclusive comment today. What are the three things I'm looking at? Well, tomorrow, Wednesday, 11 o'clock, we've got a supply and demand report. Nothing really earth-shattering expected. We're going to watch carryout. That's probably going to be the number one thing. Did the carryout change much in corn and soybeans? The other thing we're looking at in the grains, you've got to be aware of the fact that the funds, managed funds, are very short. Short 100,000 wheat, 200,000 contracts of corn, and about 60,000 contracts of beans. The interesting thing is we just had a good bounce in May soybeans, about 40 cents. We could not take out the 100-day moving average at 881, and the funds continue to sell it here today as I'm speaking to you. So is that going to pan out? I don't know. May beans are in a 30-cent trading range. When we break out of that range, it should be pretty impressive. A lot of producers are hoping that we break out higher. A lot of speculators are betting on lower prices. So it's giving you an opportunity to make a decision as to whether or not you want to counter trend or go with the trend or go against the trend. But you really have to look at the 100-day moving averages. If you look at corn and wheat, they're very sensitive to the 50-day moving average. So those are technical areas. Again, nothing works all the time, but it gives you an opportunity to make a decision. It's a decision point. It's something that every trader is looking at. Bull, bear, speculator, producer, they're all looking at those 50 and 100-day moving averages. So if you're looking for opportunity, and that's what I talk about a lot when I do these comments, it gives you opportunity. It gives you a decision point. It gives you an opportunity to make a stand and then deal with the consequences of that. Whatever your decision, you've got to make sure that you've got good risk management on whatever you're doing. If you're a producer or if you're a speculator, you've got to know where you're going to go if your idea is wrong. And I think that's the biggest thing I wanted to talk about today is those technicals and the grains. And then the last thing, take a look at the activity that we've had in livestock. Not only cattle, feeder cattle and fat cattle, but the hogs as well. We've had a nice rally up. We've got really very important technical levels, which we're struggling to get above. If we get above those levels, the funds are actually long. The meats, they may decide to get longer and go try and push that trend higher. So take a look at the action that we've had, not only in the grains, but the relatively good action, good bullish action that we've had in the meats that may have run its course. Again, those technical levels and the area I'm looking at, if you can pull up a chart, April feeder cattle, there's a lot of resistance at 160. If you look at April fat cattle, the 130, 132 level, and the hogs, the 72 cent level. Those are all big levels which may give you opportunity. From the For the See Me, this is Chris Robinson. If you're looking for some help with your speculating or with your hedging, please look me up and give me a call.